Hi guys, Robbie from Dormobile here. Today I'm going to be showing you this VW California. This is a 2013 California with 110,000 miles on it. It's one of our highest mileage vans that we have, but it's a trade-in vehicle and it is currently up for $29,995. It is more of a day van, so we've got 3 seats inside on the sliding rails. Factory fitted by VW. We've got 20-inch alloys, double swivel seats in the front with a nice pop-top roof and standing space. We've got 12-volt power in the back. And it's an all-round very solid van. So this is a TDI BlueMotion, so really good engine, right?